Here I have a glass, guys, with ice, so I'm just gonna pour my juice in there. That looking so refreshing, guys. Hi guys, so this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today guys, I'm gonna make you guys some juice, and these are all the ingredients that I have. I'm gonna put carrot, strawberry, pineapple. I'm gonna also use lemon, lime, and ginger. So first thing I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna add all my fruits to my blender. So this is the pineapple, these are my strawberries, I love strawberries, such a nice fruit. And my carrot, as you can see, I cut them. And I'm also gonna put my ginger also. I'm just gonna add some water to my blender. I'm not gonna add everything, just half of the bottle. So my lid is all on my blender, guys, and this is how it look. So I'm just gonna turn it on. So this is how it look, guys, after I finish blend it. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm just gonna strain it. Here I have a jug and I also have a strainer, so I'm just gonna pour it in my strainer. Just take your time. It takes a lot of patience, guys, but you know, in the end it's gonna be so refreshing and so nice, so it's worth it. You can also use a spoon and just press it down. That ginger smells so nice. Oh my days. I love making my own juice. Sometimes juices can be so expensive, and this is so much healthier as well. So this is gonna be my second time straining it, guys. As you can see, it's coming out very smoothly. I'm gonna strain it at least 3 times. And this is my third time now, guys. And I'm using a smaller strainer. This is coming out just perfect. So it's all finished now, guys. I'm just gonna squeeze my lime in the strainer to strain it. So my juice is all finished, guys. So last thing I'm gonna do is just sweeten it. I'm using the granulated sugar. You can use whatever you have, but I prefer to use this one. Just gonna stir it and then I taste it. So I'm just gonna taste it. That's perfect. So perfect, guys. Tastes so good. Guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna put it in a glass for you guys and show you guys how it look in the glass. So this is how my juice looks in the glass, guys. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe for many other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.